So I've got a bit of a problem. The nozzle has come out and it's cut where it should have. I think that will be able to unclog alright, but there's still a little bit left in the top there and it will not budge. And you can see it down there. Down there. I can't grab hold of it and pull it through. I've took this screw out in the side here, which is the extruder screw apparently. Come out the fan so I can remember. Oh, that's it, got that on the floor. Looks like I'm going to have to strip this completely down, it will not budge. Oh, what a nightmare. Let's take the covers off to get access. Loving it. So I managed to strip it out. I've just undone every single screw, properly jammed in there. That's what it looks like at the back. Now with the drive screw out, that won't turn it back. It's out. I don't want to snap the wheel. There it goes. Oh, there you go. That is all mushed. It looks like a bit of the black's broken off as well. It's all clogged around that wall. No wonder I couldn't pull it out. It snapped a bit of the plastic out. I wonder if I can get him with the little chippers. Yeah. I'll pull that bit out now. Yeah, that's half. So it has broken a bit off in there, which means probably going to be very prone to doing that again now, with that bit missing. Don't know whether I did that or whether just the force of the plastic getting caught in there. It's still in there pretty good. There you go. It's out. There he is. There's no way that was coming out. Oh. Lovely. So I want to get it back together. It's actually melted on there from the friction. Teeth look alright there. It has melted on there. That's got to come off. There you go.